Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to migrate Surface Hub 2S to Teams rooms on Windows using Migration Launcher. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we need to do is install the Migration Launcher. So download and install the Migration Launcher app on your Surface Hub 2S from the Microsoft Store or the push via Intune. You can also restart the Surface Hub 2S to initiate the automated migration process, ensure that the device remains powered and connected. Now, the device automatically downloads, it's roughly 30 gig of installation files and re-images to Microsoft Teams rooms on Windows. This is the Windows 11 IoT enterprise base. You now need to just wait for the completion, so the migration takes approximately 90 minutes, an hour and a half, and the device will automatically boot to Teams room out-of-box experience when it's complete. You can now configure network settings, domain join, team resource account, and apply organizational policies to finalize your entire setup.